Hi folks, this is Jane and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I will be working with the power line for sockets, and as you can see here was the light switch, and from the light switch the power line went to this socket, was connected inside the socket, and from the socket it goes below the floor in plastic pipe towards another socket which I dismounted. Here are the cables, and this socket was connected to the line in the other room. Same way, it was connected to the light switch and then was across the room to the sockets and to this socket. I mean, logic, right? So since I have a distribution box here, I will branch off to this triple section of sockets. Then one line goes here to this place where I will distribute it to a socket, to a TV socket, and I will attempt to go below the floor to come out there and distribute it to this socket underneath, and go along the floor in the corner, along the edge of the roof, and somewhere here there will be a walls mounted socket. So that's the plan. Let's see how we can realize it. I'm curious if that would work to go below the floor. Otherwise I would have to go same way over there, branch off here and then go there. That was the initial plan, and then go there. So let's pull out one wire, black one, keeping the blue one in place. Let's hope it works. That will save me a lot of time. Now let's pull from here. So I had only one try and it did not work because the cable is too thick and the radius of the pipes is too tight. So we'll do it without reusing the old pipe. Okay, let's do it then as initially planned. and make a new cable channel. Now I made the channels all along, and we will now make the socket boxes. Now I installed all the socket boxes, connected the distribution box and heated. Here and here. Also here I fixed it with foam in place so I can later plaster on top of it. Same here, foam the old distribution socket boxes so they're easier to plaster later. And finishing here. So I would say generally I could install sockets, but I ran out of those connectors. I'm using these Vago connectors, they're pretty good and I need to buy more of them so I can connect the boxes and branch the connectors inside the boxes for double and triple sockets. Right then, once I have a functional socket, at least one, I will remove this old socket and basically cut the power line to this room in the old fuse box. This is it. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Goodbye.